Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rosa Raslaina Gani. My NPM 33. Okay, good afternoon. I will say thank you to my kid who has given me time to tell you about our gaya, meaning and significance Kurban and the festival or sacrifice. Every year during the Islamic month of Zulhijjah, Muslims around the world lecture an animal, a cow, a sheep, a goat, or camel to reflect the Prophet Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son Ismail for the sake of God. At least 1/3 the meat from the animal must go to poor or vulnerable people. Traditionally, as a Muslim will keep 1/3 of the meat for their family and give the final third to their neighbor. The significance of Kurban. The practice of Kurban can be traced back to the Prophet Ibrahim, who dreamed that God ordered him to sacrifice his only son Ismail. In his devotion to God, Ibrahim agreed to follow his dream and perform the sacrifice. But God sent a ram to sacrifice in Ismail's place. Continue. Ismail was spared because Ibrahim prophet he will sacrifice his son as an act of pity, despite the loss it will have caused him. The continued practice of sacrifice as a reminder of Ibrahim's obedience to God. Idul Adha, the festival of sacrifice, is celebrated during the 12th month of the Islamic calendar, known as Zulhijjah, which translates as Lord of Pilgrimage. It is during the month that pilgrims travel to Mecca to visit the Kaabah. Haji performed on the 8th, 9th, and 10th day of the lunar month. Eid Adha begins on the 10th and end of the 30 in 1234. It is taking place around 3 October. Islamic Relief and Kurban. Islamic Relief has been carrying out Kurban project since 1986 when we perform 617 Kurban in 2033, around 1010 Kurban. Kurban were performed benefiting over 2 million people. Next, the meat is distributed fresh, frozen, or canned depending on factors such as cost, availability, and access. Throughout the majority of countries receive fresh meat. The meat is purchased from local suppliers in order to benefit the local economy. Each meat packet contains on average of 3 kilograms of meat, which will provide a family of 4 with meal for about a week. Those who receive the Kurban meat include widow or women or orphanage, children, refugees, and poor, elderly, or disabled people. For the majority of these people, meat is not part of their regular diet. The kurban meat allows some family to eat meat after a whole years. When family receive kurban meat, it fosters a real sense of hope for them and allow them to celebrate this important occasion along with millions of other Muslims across the world. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.